To set up automatic investments with Vanguard, start by logging into your Vanguard account online. If you do not have a Vanguard account, you will need to create one by going to the Vanguard website and following the prompts to open a new account, such as a Roth IRA or Brokerage account. Once logged in, navigate to the account you want to set up automatic investments for. This could be a Roth IRA or a Brokerage account, depending on your investment goals and needs. Click on the account to view its details and then select the option to set up automatic investments. You will be asked to select the frequency of your investments, such as monthly or quarterly, and the amount you want to invest each time. You can also choose the specific Vanguard funds you want to invest in, such as a total stock market index fund or a target date retirement fund. Next, you will need to link a bank account to your Vanguard account, which will be used to fund your automatic investments. This can be a checking or savings account, and you will need to provide the account and routing numbers. After linking your bank account, review and confirm your automatic investment settings. Make sure the frequency, amount, and funds are all correct, and that you have enough money in your linked bank account to cover your investments. Finally, submit your automatic investment setup and verify that it has been successfully activated. You can do this by logging into your Vanguard account and checking the account details, or by contacting Vanguard customer service. It is a good idea to review and adjust your automatic investment settings periodically to ensure they are still aligned with your investment goals and needs. You can also consider setting up automatic investments for other accounts, such as a 401k or other retirement account. By following these steps, you can easily set up automatic investments with Vanguard and start building wealth over time. This can be a great way to invest regularly and consistently, without having to think about it or worry about market timing.